still being towed. Gone all the ways. But yeah. And do I have to tell you? It's goddamn hot in here. No air conditioner. And it's a bit bumpy. But yeah. Sure, it's been a while since last time doing a video where y'all see my face. So here's part 2 of that. Here's part 2 of those kind of videos. Jesus Christ. Almost at 300 subscribers, or yeah, almost at 300. So be very much appreciated, because my dad and I are in this kind of struggle. Jesus. Fuck. Well, shouldn't be too long until we hit the Tim's Auto Parts or something like that. But yeah, be very much appreciated to get me the 300 subscribes, because right now in a bit of a pickle.